In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add or remove items after placing a Target order. Let's get started. First, launch your Target app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head over to the My Targets page. Here you're going to find the option of purchase history or order history. Click on that. On the order details page, check whether the order is still being processed. If it has not entered the fulfillment stage yet, you may also see option to make limited changes. For most Target orders, you can directly add new items to an order after it has been placed. If you forgot to include an item, you'll typically need to place a separate order for additional product. If you want to remove an item, look for a cancel item or a cancel order option next to the product. If it's available, follow the on-screen instructions to cancel the item before it has been prepared for shipping or pickup. Once an item has entered the fulfillment or shipping process, it usually cannot be cancelled. If you don't see the option to cancel, the order may be too far along in processing. In that case, you can wait until the item arrives and, if eligible, return it according to Target's return policy. And that's it. Now you know how to manage changes after placing a Target order. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.